Welcome to the new series on this channel. In this series, in this particular playlist, we are going to start Android development training with Kotlin. So I've already covered basic Android development training with Java previously. If you haven't checked that out, and if you want to check that out, you can do that by going on my channel, Great Developers. And basically, I've covered every small basic things in that with Java. So and in this video series, in this playlist, I'm gonna cover the same things with little differences with Kotlin. So just a minute. Yeah, this is the course outline. We're gonna cover activities and intents, radio button, spinners, list view, and in the previous playlist in Java we covered shared preferences, but in Kotlin shared preferences is going to be deprecated soon, not in the near future, but data store is basically has replaced shared preferences. It wasn't the case from the beginning in Kotlin, but today Google is uh, preferring advising to use data store in place of shared preferences. So we are gonna cover data store instead of shared preference, then date picker and time picker fragments. And in the previous video series with Java, we cover custom list view, but in this playlist we are gonna uh, go directly with recycler view, because um, custom list view is basically recycler view provides everything that list view has, with more even more functionalities inside with it. So we are going to cover recycler view, not custom list view. Then wave view, then image loading with glide and Picasso libraries. This time we're just gonna use glide because Picasso's implementation is some sort of similar than to glide. Then I was thinking about making another separate video outside of this playlist about notifications, but then I thought notification in Android is very crucial thing to learn, and every uh, beginner Android developer should have knowledge about and notifications. So I've included notifications in this particular playlist. The same with MySQLi, the database. But I'm gonna make another separate videos for MySQLi with and without room persistence library. Maybe I want to without room library, because room persistence library is recommended by Android itself to use as a best practice. So we'll see how we'll cover that. Just comment in the comment section. Do you want directly a video on room persistent library for MySQLi database, or you want a video for MySQLi without room library as well? So yeah, just comment that down and I'll just make your wish. Right, and then lesson 13 and 14 will cover CRUD operation: create, read, update, and delete from database. We are gonna use MySQL database and PHP for APIs. I don't remember that I would have. I would definitely not have. I would have deleted the previous APIs that we created in the Java playlist, but I'll make the similar APIs. I'm not gonna make a video on that this time. So yeah, we'll use MySQL database and PHP for APIs, and we'll use volley library to insert, update, delete operations, and then we'll use retrofit for the same purpose as well. And the later part of the videos after this playlist will mainly focus on using retrofit, not volley, because retrofit fits well with our requirements. So yeah, then once this all is covered, then we'll focus on room persistent library, as I talked about earlier, then Firebase integration, and alongside we'll see Google sign in, then mobile number authentication with Firebase, then yeah, insert, update, delete operations in real-time database of Firebase, then um, cloud messaging service provided by Firebase as well. Then we'll focus on MVVM architecture alongside dependency injection with Daggerhilt. So I'm not gonna make a separate playlist for MVVM architecture without Daggerhilt, and then I'll create then MVVM architecture with Daggerhilt. I'm just gonna directly go with Daggerhilt usage because it's pretty much very easy to understand. And yeah, it at first you might think that Daggerhilt is a tricky concept, but once you practice enough, it should be very easy for you. It's not a big deal. So yeah, that is the future plan for our videos on this channel. And yeah, basically, so we'll start with this playlist from the next video. So that's it for this video. I'll see you guys in the next video.